Happy holidays from the choir at Lewiston High School.
Let it snow, snow, let it snow, snow, let it snow. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights have turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
When he finally gets good night, going out in the snow, you really hold me tight all the way home on board.
The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow.